AI smart glasses stopped being a tech demo this year. Right now, there are glasses that translate a conversation while it's happening, glasses that float a wall of virtual monitors in front of your face, and glasses with an assistant that sees what you see and answers out loud. 10 of them made this list. Some look like obvious gadgets. One of them looks so normal that people standing next to you would never know. And by the end of this countdown, you'll notice a pattern in these 10 devices that tells you exactly where the entire industry is headed. Because these companies are not really competing over glasses. They're competing over what replaces your phone. Stick around for number 10 especially. It's the one almost nobody talks about, and it might be the smartest bet on this entire list. Here's how this breaks down. 10 pairs of AI smart glasses, each built around a completely different bet. Some are chasing augmented reality, some are chasing invisible, all-day AI assistants. A few are aimed squarely at professionals, and at least one is aimed at people who film everything they do. For each pair, I'll keep it practical. What it actually does, who it's genuinely for, and where the honest limits are. Because every single one of these has a catch nobody puts in the marketing. No hype, no spec sheet reading, just what matters if you are actually going to wear these. As you go through the list, keep score on one question. Would you wear this in public without thinking twice? That question decides which of these companies wins, and it filters this list better than any spec sheet ever could. First up, a small startup taking the most radical approach of all 10. Brilliant Labs went in the opposite direction of every big tech company on this list. Their glasses, called Frame, are lightweight, deliberately simple, and fully open source. The hardware designs and code are public, which is almost unheard of in this space. Inside is a small camera, a microphone, and a tiny high-contrast display in the lens that puts text and visuals directly in your line of sight. The intelligence comes from Noah, a multimodal AI assistant that works through a companion app on your phone. Ask Noah what you're looking at, and it can describe the scene, translate text, run a visual search, or talk you through a question. Hands-free, eyes up. To be clear, Frame isn't fully standalone. It leans on your phone's connection to do the heavy lifting. But as a stripped-down vision of wearable AI, it's genuinely impressive. And because it's open source, developers can build on it, which gives Frame a kind of long-term life that closed devices just don't have. This is the tinkerer's pick of the list, the one you buy because you want to see the future early, rough edges included. And the next pair takes the exact opposite philosophy: maximum power, maximum visuals. If Frame is minimalism, the XREAL Air 2 Ultra is full sci-fi. These glasses use dual micro-OLED displays to project virtual screens and 3D content into the space around you. Actual spatial computing in a frame you can wear on a train. You can pin a giant virtual monitor in front of you, keep a browser floating to the side, and watch it all stay locked in place as you move, thanks to 6 degrees of freedom tracking. Hand gestures work too, so interacting with that floating content feels surprisingly natural instead of gimmicky. The honest catch: to get the full spatial experience, you'll typically tether to a compatible phone or computer, so this is less replace your laptop and more extend it anywhere. For remote work, travel, and gaming, that trade-off is easy to accept. Think of it this way: your setup at home has monitors, cables, and a desk. This puts a version of that setup in a case the size of sunglasses, and that alone explains why frequent travelers have latched onto these. But notice what's missing here: a true conversational AI layer. The next pair is built almost entirely around one. The Solos AirGo 3 could pass for ordinary glasses, and that's the point. There's no display in the lens at all. Instead, everything runs through voice and audio. ChatGPT integration is built in, so you can ask questions, dictate messages, set reminders, and get answers spoken back through open-ear speakers that leave your ears uncovered. That design choice matters more than it sounds. You can hear traffic, other people, your surroundings, which is exactly why these lean so hard into fitness. Paired with your phone, they support workout coaching and audio-guided navigation, so runners and cyclists get directions and pacing without ever looking down at a screen. The smartest touch is the modular design. The tech lives in the frame system, and you can swap frame styles while keeping the smart core. It's AI for people who don't want to look like they're wearing AI. The next company took that same idea and pushed it even further. Oppo's AirGlass 3 is one of the sleekest designs of this whole list. A genuinely minimal frame with a waveguide display that projects information onto what looks like a normal clear lens. The brains come from Andy's GPT, Oppo's own AI model, and the whole experience is voice first. Ask questions, translate languages, pull up navigation prompts, preview messages, and manage your day through natural speech, with your phone doing the processing. What makes it stand out is how wearable it is. This is designed for all-day use without eye strain and without that unmistakable "I'm wearing a computer" look. One honest caveat: Oppo has shown AirGlass 3 as a concept device, so availability outside China is still an open question. Treat this one as a preview of where mainstream AI glasses are going rather than something to order today. Meanwhile, the next pair on the list isn't trying to assist you at all. It's trying to record you. Snap spectacles have grown up. What started years ago as a camera gimmick has turned into a serious creator tool. Dual cameras, spatial audio, and real AR overlays that let you capture and experience the world exactly from your own point of view. For vloggers and content creators, that's the entire pitch. No phone in your hand, no rig, just footage of life as you actually saw it. The newer developer-focused spectacles push further into true augmented reality, with interactive AR experiences layered over the real world. And based on where Snap has been heading, reports suggest more AI is coming to the capture side, things like smarter scene understanding and on-device assistance, though treat specifics as evolving rather than confirmed. Here's the real significance. Spectacles blur the line between a camera and a companion. If your day already revolves around making content, this is the entry that removes the most friction between seeing a moment and sharing it. And the next entry takes that same camera-first formula and attaches the biggest AI budget on this entire list. This is the pair you've most likely seen in the wild, and there's a reason. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses look like regular designer frames. But inside, there's a camera, open-ear speakers, and Meta AI, built on Meta's Llama models. You talk to your glasses, and they talk back. Play music, send messages, take calls, capture photos and video, even livestream completely hands-free. The bigger deal is multimodal AI. The glasses can use the camera to understand what's in front of you, look at a landmark, a menu, a plant, and ask about it out loud. That's the feature that quietly changes what smart glasses even means, because the assistant finally shares your view of the world. The trade-off is that this ties your daily life closely to Meta's ecosystem, which won't be for everyone. And there's a camera on your face, so the etiquette questions are real and worth thinking about before you buy. Still, as everyday AI eyewear goes, this is the current benchmark. The next pair doesn't care about any of that. It just wants to be your movie theater. The Rokid Max is built around one big idea: a massive private screen you can take anywhere. Put them on, and you get the equivalent of a 215-inch virtual display with sharp 1080p visuals. Plug into a phone, laptop, console, or handheld, and suddenly a cramped flight becomes a personal cinema. That alone made these popular. What's changed recently is the smart layer. Voice control and AI assistant features now sit on top of the entertainment core, so you can launch apps, adjust settings, or ask questions without breaking immersion. Paired with the right device, the Max also works as a portable multi-screen workstation, which is an underrated use for anyone working from cafes and airports. Rokid has put real attention into comfort too. Lightweight build, eye protection features, and low latency that gamers will feel immediately. It's the most fun device on this list, and honestly, the easiest one to explain to someone who's never touched smart glasses. Put them on, press play, and it clicks in about 5 seconds. The next one is the exact opposite, the most invisible device here. Here's the sleeper pick most people skip past. Vuzix built the ultralight platform around a simple, brutal truth. Nobody wears smart glasses that look and feel like smart glasses. At just 38 grams, the weight of an ordinary pair, ultralight-based glasses like the Vuzix Z100 deliver a subtle heads-up display for exactly the information you need. Navigation, notifications, meeting reminders, translations, fitness data. It connects to your phone over Bluetooth, works with AI assistants, and the display stays bright enough to read outdoors while remaining discreet to everyone around you. Vuzix comes from the enterprise world, so there's a serious side too. Logistics, healthcare, retail, and field workers using these for hands-free task guidance and real-time updates. Listen for this detail: all-day battery, everyday weight, invisible design. That combination, not flashy AR, may be what finally makes smart glasses normal. But if you do want flashy AR, the next pair delivers it in full color. The TCL Rainio X2 goes where most glasses on this list can't. Full-color augmented reality, projected straight onto the lens with micro-LED displays, in a frame that still reads as everyday eyewear. That means heads-up navigation arrows on real streets, notifications floating in your view, and contextual info layered onto the world without blocking it. But the headline feature is translation. The Rainio X2 can listen to a conversation and display translated subtitles in your lens live while the other person is speaking. For travelers, international teams, or multilingual families, that's not a party trick. That's the whole reason to buy. Add voice control, GPS, and a built-in assistant for calls, texts, and reminders, and you've got something close to a personal interpreter and navigator in one device. The realistic caveats: early generation AR glasses like this ask for compromises in bulk and battery, so weigh that against the wow factor. Still, of everything on this list, this is the device that gets the strongest reaction the first time someone tries it. Watching another language turn into readable text in midair tends to do that. The final entry skips consumers entirely, and might be the most powerful device here. The Lenovo Think Reality A3 isn't trying to win your commute. It's built for engineers, clinicians, manufacturing teams, and remote support specialists who need serious AR at work. Through high-resolution stereoscopic lenses, the A3 puts multiple virtual monitors and live data visualizations into your workspace, tethered to a compatible PC or select Motorola smartphones, which effectively turns those devices into a wearable workstation. In the field, that means 3D collaboration, visual guidance overlaid on real equipment, and AI-assisted recognition that helps walk workers through complex tasks step by step. Lenovo also leaned into privacy and durability, which is why these show up in sensitive environments where consumer gadgets simply aren't allowed. Is it something you'd wear to dinner? No, but it answers the question every device on this list is circling. What happens when your computer stops living on a desk? Which brings us to the part that actually matters, the pattern across all 10. So here's the pattern I promised in the hook. Every one of these 10 devices is attacking the same target from a different angle, the screen in your pocket. Frame and the Solos AirGo 3 replace glancing at your phone. The XREAL Air 2 Ultra and Rokid Max replace your monitors. Ray-Ban Meta and Oppo Air Glass 3 replace your assistant. Snap Spectacles replace your camera. Vuzix TCL and Lenovo replace your workflow. Different bets, same endgame. Computing that lives at eye level instead of in your hand. Nobody has nailed all of it in one device yet, and whoever does first probably owns the next decade of tech. So, honest question. Which of these would you actually wear in public? Drop your pick in the comments. I read them, and your answers shape what I test next. If this breakdown saved you some research time, a like and a subscribe genuinely help. And stick around, because the next video covers the one device several of these companies are reportedly racing to beat, and it isn't glasses at all.